What is up, YouTube? Wild. That's what the last one. Oh, there's a. Let's go! Oh, nice, nice. That's a good fish. No! You heard that, right? Oh, sorry. Holy shit. Yeah. Holy crap. Hi, welcome to the video. This one's going to be more of a somber one. Unfortunately, I ended up using this collapsible rod and just too much wear and tear on it. It eventually stopped working. So this is going to be me showing the clips, highlights, until it's, you know, stopped working. And even fishing at this spot a day or two, always fun to get some bass out of here. Plenty of panfish. See some carp lurking around, but they never want to bite. You know, they are pretty skittish usually, but it's pretty good. I'll get right to it and show you. Great. What the heck? I think that was a hit. I was pretty high in the water column to not be a hit, but maybe there's a chance there's some timber there. Nice. That's not a fish. It is okay. Jesus Christ. He's about to jump. Why are you running towards me too? There's no happy medium that I can find on this spool or whatever. Yeah, the drag. What the hell? Whatever it's called. No, yep, I know you're a smallmouth. Hopefully he's actually... Jeez, how am I gonna... Okay. How do I want to do this one? Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. That was an awkward one to say at least, and I'm slipping a little bit. That's a pretty decent one. Smallies are always a good fight too. This one, of course, hit this new... I don't think I'm gonna get that out. Hit the new crankbait. Been struggling here today, but I had a feeling something like a crankbait would eventually get a bite. There we go. Hey, could you guys stop fighting for a second and tell me where the fish are? There is about 30 of you. And I think pretty much all birds have great eyesight. Could you just look down quick, please? Tell me where the bass are. I don't really care about the panfish or carp. Oh, wow. That's another one. He might be even bigger. Or definitely will be bigger. Because he's... He's definitely telling me where he wants to go. Ooh. I have a feeling he might be the biggest I've caught on this. I know I'm on a light rod, but this is a heavy fish. I hope this isn't a carp that I accidentally snapped. Duh. Jesus Christ. Please don't jump either. There's always the funniest. You'll insta fish in. Oh, yeah, he almost came up to the surface. It's real shallow along there. I don't think there's a lot of logs that he can really get himself caught around, under, whatnot. So I think this spot is actually pretty good for. I say that and he's around something right now, possibly. Great. That's a big. Yep, he freed himself. He had no problem with. Okay. I wish I could get down in there and fish the fish out. He's not even that big. He's definitely bigger though. Love the colors on him too. You've got to be kidding. I might have to jump in. He's still on the line. Okay, he freed himself. Jesus Christ. I swear I was giving him enough oomph to actually get him moving. I can't let him. Jesus Christ. He's not even actually hooked in the mouth, I don't think. Which might make it easier to grab him by the mouth. Ooh, almost fell in. Okay, he is. It's a nice 16, 17 incher maybe. Scaring me coming to the top like that. Okay, here's my chance. There we go. Ooh, he's actually pretty skinny. He's really peaceful. Ugh. Climb back up here and get back to work. What the heck? Thought for I was scratching like dead skin on my finger. Don't look at the poison ivy I got that's building up and a little bit there. Oh, that might be getting hit by. Yep. That was a panfish, so we're gonna forget that that happened. Oh, that's a fish on it. Yep. How did you get hooked? You are not the kind of fish that's got a big enough mouth. What the heck? I saw him hit that, which is funny because that might be one of the few times I've seen a panfish just barrel on in for something, but it's understandable. It's a worm. That makes sense. Can I get... There we go. Red-breasted sunfish, I'm pretty sure. Don't... Oh. That's some weird red markings. Not only... I think these are bad, but I don't think ever seen those redder markings. Oh, man. That wasn't the best toss, and I should have... Oh. About to fall in. Should have tossed him out further so he didn't possibly just dive accidentally right into rocks. I mean, he is, I'm sure, going to be fine, but just unnecessary by me. What the heck? Might have just been stuck on the bottom a little bit, but... Oh, that might be a fish on it. Let's give him some time again and see... Oh, there it is. What? He took that away. Is he gonna come back? Is now the time? I'm in a really stressful situation here. You guys are just having your little freaking fighting party. Yeah, fish got oh no! It might be the same fish. I might be catching the same red-breasted sunfish. At least I think that's what it was. What is that fish? That is so dark. Is that really a bass? Look at him. He's chasing us down. I have a feeling he's a bass, but will he maybe eat this? Oh, great. Oh, no. He's looking at it. Oh, he's right up on it. Some other fish is biting at it. Maybe that'll entice him. Oh, yeah. No, that was a good-sized panfish. Oh. Something's got it. Not a chance. Are you kidding me? This thing is getting bit up like every 10 seconds, and I've missed every single one. Something went right up to it. Are you kidding me? They are in love with this corn. Even the bass will check it out. Panfish will... Something's... Are you kidding me? That was a bass, I'm pretty sure. How'd you not get hooked? Oh, he's... Yeah, he's got... There goes a bluegill, somehow not able to get hooked. Oh, I guess a side note, the repair that I mentioned, if you didn't see that other video, was the bail spring. You just got to enter in here, and it didn't happen to be broken, so I just had to like put it back in place, not replace it. But if you want to see that, I do have a video, but of a different reel. I can still do it with this one. I think it's pretty much the same, but at a much smaller scale. I'll probably want to get the camera even closer to the action, to what I'm doing, but I can do one of those just because if it happened to me, it could happen to the next person and just be a nuisance. If you don't know how to fix it, it'll just hardly work or not work at all. Nice, nice, we got a big one is gone, sorry. The 2-inch fish that just bit at the 2-inch lure is gone. I wonder if it was a fall fish, because a lot of what I do is very similar to fall fish lures, because I think they're literally giant minnows. And of course, one this size would just be bass candy, or apparently bigger fall fish candy. Wow, something hit it right as it hit the water. Saw that thing just take a sharp turn. Nice. Smallmouth bass. Eat it right at my feet. Look at this monster fight. Wow, easy like it was nothing. I mean, he's no monster, but still wanted to put up the biggest fight of a fish his size. What the heck? It's literally the same area. Slightly bigger, slightly more feisty smallmouth. Since it's so easy to do this one, let's see if we get at least another 1 or 2 catches on it. I do love these kind of baits, swim baits. Certain top waters, probably my favorite. And I swear that was about 2 minutes support, just 2 or 3 casts or something like that. I bet you I'm gonna get something here. You can get bit up by panfish. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Is he? He's still on. I think he's a fall fish. Well, he's jumping like crazy. What the heck is he? He's not even coming up. Is he a bass? Yep. Do we take another pic?
Taking video. Look at that thing. Monster.
Monster. It's rope. Please. Oh, there we go. Got something now. Another tiny bass. Oh, and he's off. That's a quick release. I think this side's the easiest to walk through. If we're... because I think that middle's pretty deep. Nice! Got a panfish. Red breasted sunfish. Hopefully I don't need pliers because I didn't bring them. I think he'll be good. Yep.
It's so nice in the water, Dietrich. I don't know why you're...
I was just swimming into the...
Swim to you. If you're done fishing. I'm not gonna harp to you. I'm gonna swim to you.
Yeah, yep.
How deep is this studio?
5 foot.
Oh yeah, on that side, I had to get in and I couldn't touch bottom with like my neck in the water.
Especially him of all people.
And it's not like the dad ever takes it.
Nice. He's a jumper. It's a bass this time. They are getting a little, or they are staying a little small though. Oh, quick release. That was quick release. I didn't even need pliers. Didn't even.
I have the camera open, but
Yeah.
Thumbs up for the good.
It counts. It counts.
oh, you.
I got it to the bank.
Yeah.
Shorty, what you think? Oh no, I missed another bite. Probably, yeah, probably a little pan, or maybe a little panfish this time. Get ready, Brandon. If I catch it. Me? If I catch a fish, you gotta get it for me.
As long as it's a muskie.
Yeah, with this little inline spinner. Okay. Fish, yeah. What kind of fish now, though? Oh, another bass. I think the biggest one yet. Let's keep him away from the tube, though. And I guess let him fight a little bit if he's gonna be this angry. Oh, he's not even that big. Wonder if he's even hooked. Goodner. Okay, don't hit me with that. There we go. Bam. Quickest release ever. It was a 8-inch smallmouth. I think the biggest I caught today. Yeah, it wasn't like microscopic this time. And it was, I caught it out here a little bit. What the heck was that? Could it be? Nope. Ugh. Tree pounder. Nice, another one, I think. Yeah, it should be a bass. And it's 95% of the time smallmouth. I mean, if you want to get... Oh, what I am doing today is throwing this to get numbers and catches, so it's doing its job, I hate to say, but not the biggest of fish, I'll be honest. That could be a bald eagle up there flying. Might just be a big hawk. But I know there are... Oh, nice. Another bass. Look at him fight. But there are bald eagles that we've all seen. Our group of friends. Oh, don't run into my leg, please. Of course, you have to be foul hooked very awkwardly. Okay. Fumble that one a little bit, but he's off quick and safe. Are you serious? Come on. There's a whole tree right there that I just moved. This poor thing didn't want to have to do that. Huh. Just scared something so... Okay. And then I got bit by a probably panfish there. You know, this is doing great at getting the panfish to bite. Not catch them, but getting a bite. And I got scaring him out of the water like 6 inches. That little guy could jump. Just like me. No, are you kidding me? Might actually got hit with a bass right there. You've got to be kidding me. Well, there goes the... Yeah. So I'm going to have to put this down. I ended up after... Oh, man. How many times have I fished this? Maybe 8 times. I don't think it's been quite 10. So there might have been about average of 1 hour of fishing each time I went out on this. Maybe an hour and a half times the 8. So it's gotten some wear and tear, but unfortunately it has already busted. And yeah, I already think you access it. Yeah, you access it through here, and I can do a video still on the bail spring, I think is what it's called, and replacing that or placing it back in its place when it knocks itself out is what happened when I just recently did it to this one. I've had to do it on the spinning reel that's sitting right here as well. But that is the demise of this, unless I go out and get another one. But I don't think I will with how short its lifespan was, to be honest. It was still fun to use, very easily placed. I can even put it in a book bag since it's so small. Would have been good for kayak trips. I think I took it on 1 or 2, but ended up breaking kind of early.